In this video we learn the color name. Red. Apple is red. Rose is red. Fire truck is red. Blue. Car is blue. Dolphin is blue. Shoes is blue. Yellow. Mango is yellow. Duck is yellow. Banana is yellow. Purple. Flower is purple. Lollipop is purple. Yarn is purple. Orange. Pumpkin is orange. Jelly is orange. Ball is orange. Grey. Cat is grey. Shirt is grey. Koala is grey. Brown. Chocolate is brown. Bear is brown. Monkey is brown. Pink. Donut is pink. Book is pink. Flower is pink. White. Snowman is white. Egg is white. Dove is white. Black. Crow is black. Spider is black. Gorilla is black. Green. Parrot is green. Leaf is green. Watermelon is green. Like the video and subscribe my channel.